We are the Organized Kids.
We teach you how to organize.
And we have fun. Hi, I'm Adleigh. Today I'm going to show you how to take care of plants, and that's going to be watering. First step, you get a watering can from your house. I'm using a measuring cup because it's the only thing that's allowed to go inside. So then you fill it up. And then you water the plant. You want to get all of the soil wet. If you spill, just clean up after. And that's how you water.
Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Tuesday.